The most enjoyable thing about STEM racing is seeing how far the children can come just with this opportunity to compete, to work together, to solve problems as a team.
It taught me that all about aerodynamics, forces and how to work together as a team.
The children really grow in themselves, they learn problem solving skills. There is a collaborative goal at the end, and it's an opportunity for them to work together towards that, realising that no single person in that team can do it on their own.
You need to be very good at problem solving, especially with like manufacturing and designing and stuff.
You get to watch all the cars go really fast right there in front of you, and also see your car go hopefully really fast.
You should try it out, it's very fun and you can get a lot of experience out of it.